Passive income isn't magic. It's not luck. And it's definitely not a shortcut. It's math. Simple math. Repeated for a long time. Today, I'll show you the 5 rules of passive income that actually work. No scams, no hype, no overnight promises. Miss even one of these rules, and passive income stays a dream. First, let's clear a big misunderstanding. Passive income does not mean zero work. It means you work once and get paid many times. Active income pays you for time. Passive income pays you for systems. Example: a salary stops when you stop working. An asset keeps paying even when you sleep. Most people start passive income the wrong way. They say, "I'll save first, then I'll invest." That sounds smart, but it's backward. Key explanation: saving is limited by income. Investing is powered by surplus. Example: if you earn 30,000 rupees and save 10%, you can only invest 3,000 rupees. But if you increase income to 60,000 rupees, that same 10% becomes 6,000 rupees. Rule statement. Rule number 1. Increase your earning ability before obsessing over saving. This rule separates real investors from beginners. Early passive income should not be spent. It must be reinvested. Example: if an investment pays you 5,000 rupees and you spend it, growth stops. But if you reinvest it, compounding begins. Quote: the first goal of passive income is not freedom. It's momentum. Many people think diversification means buying different stocks. That's incomplete. Real diversification means different income engines. Examples: market assets, business assets, skill-based assets. Rule statement. Rule number 3. Never depend on a single passive income vehicle. Everyone asks the wrong question. What returns can I get? The better question is, how long can I stay invested? Example: 10% for 30 years beats 20% for 5 years. Line: consistency beats intensity. Rule statement. Rule number 4. Long time frames create passive income, not high risk. Assets alone don't create freedom. Systems do. Example: a stock portfolio is an asset. Automatic investing is a system. A YouTube channel is an asset. A content schedule plus monetization is a system. Rule statement. Rule number 5. If it doesn't run without you, it's not passive.